morning. This is Thailand Tom. Sawadee krap. Today I finally received a little toy, so I'm gonna unpack it now and you can tag along and see what it is.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
So finally I got this delivered by Kerry, which is the local or national really delivery service here in Thailand. Got this package. I pre-opened it because I had to check that it's the right thing inside and everything is correct, but I want to show you and take you on the ride to open it too. So this is what I ordered and finally got. I did a little preview on this bag on my Facebook and asked people what they think it was. Somebody said an umbrella. Not so sure if it's an umbrella, but maybe in some places an umbrella looks like this. So nice little bag, and inside we have my little drone. Finally. So I got this little mini drone, which is my first drone, so I think it's perfect for me to start with. Just have to put some plugs on this one. This I connect with an app to my phone, so it gets so I can control it and see the video through my phone too, same time as I work it. So this I'm really happy for. Let's see how long I can have this before I crash it. We go. I think I'm gonna make a video when I drive it the first time too. We'll see what happens.